Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kraken Pro settings for chart and limit order control step by step clearly. To activate Kraken Pro settings for chart and limit order control, begin by logging into your Kraken account. Once logged in, navigate to the Kraken Pro interface. Locate the chart area on the main screen. Click on the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner of the chart section. In the settings menu, select the desired chart type, such as candlestick or line chart. Adjust the time frame for your chart by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Next, customize your indicators by clicking on the indicators icon. Choose your preferred indicators from the list and apply them to the chart. To control limit orders, locate the order entry panel on the right side of the screen. Select limit from the available order types. Specify your price by typing it into the price field. Enter the amount you wish to buy or sell in the quantity field. Review your limit order details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Place Order button to activate it. Monitor your limit orders in the Orders section of the Kraken Pro interface. If necessary, adjust your limit orders by clicking on them and editing the details. Take full advantage of the charting tools and features to enhance your trading strategy. Regularly revisit your settings to ensure they align with your trading approach. You are now ready to efficiently use Kraken Pro for chart and limit order control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.